Greetings, brothers and sisters. My person's name is Dr. Norman Michael Goki, but everybody online knows me as Professor Spira, and I'm here today to talk about the McKeag Mastery Trust and how it has already transformed my life in a very short period of time. And this trust instrument actually allows me to do what I've always wanted to do and live the life that I've always wanted to live, which was to be of service and not to have to deal with all of the red tape and the machinations of the slavers in our in our lovely so-called government. And when I was young, I was very naive. I had this idealistic idea where I heard the word nonprofit organization, and I thought to myself, that sounds like something that I could do, that I could help people and get grants and not have to pay any taxes, and that's in alignment with who I am. Well, as I'm sure a lot of you know, I got into that. I got into looking into what it took to create a nonprofit organization and all these hoops you had to jump through and all this stuff. And I realized, wait a minute, this is nothing but a scam. I started meeting the people involved in some of these so-called nonprofits. I'm like, man, these are shell companies for all kinds of other nonsense that's going on. This is a big scam. So 10 years ago, I started an LLC to do my ministry, to try to help people the way I can help people. And I'll show you, I walk around with this. So I used to be over 300 pounds and suffered from all kinds of different ailments. The doctors told me that I would have to use a CPAP unit, an oxygen mask for the rest of my life and be on pharmaceutical medications, so on and so forth. Long story short, I learned some information, was able to totally transform my health. And so my ministry is to teach other people how to do the same thing. So I started a LLC 10 years ago, started selling books and doing consultations, all that kind of stuff, trying to be a good citizen, a good business person. And just the more and more I'm doing this, I'm realizing, man, this does not feel how it's supposed to feel. Like, this is not how we're supposed to operate. I shouldn't have to do all of this, these way they got the tax structures and all this kind of stuff, that this isn't how it's supposed to be. So about 2018, I met Michael Fathauer, who became a dear friend of mine, and he was into studying trusts and private membership associations. So I had got into that, started going down those rabbit holes, and integrated private membership association with what I was doing. A lot of people in the natural health field will use this fictitious structure, private membership association structure, to try to protect yourself a little bit. Finding out this trust instrument far surpasses the protections of any kind of so-called private membership association, but didn't know that at the time. And I went and I checked out all these different rabbit holes of people trying to sell different types of trust, and the irrevocable, well, most people promote the revocable trust or the offshore, it's the Cook Island trust or Switzerland, and this, like, all this stuff, and none of it resonated. Half of them had lawyers that were saying, oh yeah, your name doesn't have to be on it. That's the beautiful thing. You don't have to put your name on anything. We'll put our name on it, and that way all of our assets will be protected under our name and nobody can come after you. Well, I didn't buy that, and I knew there had to be something better. So a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, Michael came to me and told me about John McKeag and his work, and I checked it out and I bought the bundle. That was June of 2023. Today is February 28th of 2025. And so I bought the bundle, started going through everything, but I knew at that time I just wasn't ready. I was dealing with the estate of my aunt, who was like my mother, had passed away. That was the first time I had to they don't teach you that. Now, if I knew what I know now with the McKeag Trust, that whole process would be a lot better. But going into it for the first time, didn't really, you just do the best you can in terms of just dealing with, like, what am I supposed to do closing out a loved one's estate? And So I wasn't ready. A month ago, I started working on this trust work full time. And so in that time, I've opened 4 trusts, and I'll just do a real quick overview. Got my first name, last name trust, and this is gonna take the place of personal things. Something that I learned in the classroom. I'll talk about the classroom in a moment, how important the McKeag classroom is. Take advantage of the search bar. Any question you have before my recommendation, before you ask it, type the keywords into the search bar, see if a conversation has already happened around your topic. It might answer your question. And because of that, all of the information that's built up in there in this database, I've only had to ask the questions that I truly need to ask to help me along the way. So this trust, second trust, this is my operations trust. So it's really taking the place of my LLC. Then I have this trust is the trust I'm using. I transferred my vehicles into this trust. So we got that. Then I got the fourth trust. Now, mind you, you don't have to do all these. Like, my affairs are a bit complicated. It's more complicated than a lot of the average person. Your stuff might be way simpler than what I'm doing. Just like John says, first name, last name trust, that might be all you need to do. Maybe one other trust for something, go check out the information, but this is just what I'm doing. And so this trust is where I put the property that I inherited from my aunt, put into this trust. And I will share some additional info on that. So this is the quitclaim deed that I went down, and I went through the whole process of figuring out what I needed to do in my county, and did what I needed to do, got the signatures I needed to get signed, just went through the whole process and got the property transferred over. And not only that, here's the kicker. I didn't have to pay any taxes on the transfer, as I used this statement of reason for exemption from real property conveyance fee. And under R, section R, it says to form to or from an organization exempt from federal income taxation under section 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code, provided such transfer is without consideration and is furtherance of the charitable or public purpose of the organization. So I did not have to pay. My person, no entity had to pay for any taxes on the transfer. It's wonderful to get away from the nonsense, to simplify so that I can focus on my ministry, my mission. I have a very clearly defined message and reason for me to be here that I've known for a very long time, and as my business affairs, the more people that I started to help and that I want to help, and as things are growing, all of the stuff I have to deal with, the red tape and all the nonsense, has been taking up so much time, precious time, where I could be helping people, but I'm spending hours on bookkeeping, I'm spending hours and then paying somebody else to spend even more hours on it. Doesn't make any sense. But this is the way to transition out of the mess if you're ready. I appreciate the fearlessness dynamic that this work cultivates. It's going to push you. It'll push you. It's like, the mechanics of the things that you do are simple, follow the instructions, but you're going to be pushed potentially, depending on how much Stockholm syndrome you have, how happy, if you're a happy slave, it's a little harder if you're a happy slave versus if you're an unhappy slave, it's a little easier. But this is going to push you. And so, but if you're watching this and you're watching it this far, then you are ready. So my recommendation, you go down below, click the link right now, jump on board, join McKeag Mastery Trust. Thank you so much, John McKeag, for all the work that you do putting this information out there. Thank you, Michael Fathauer, for getting me hip to this. And I'm just getting started. Usually I wouldn't make a video like this until I've done something for about a year, but the request came out, asked to say, give a testimony. So I'm giving it in hopes that it helps other people. And I'm looking forward. I'll give another one in a year, because I'm literally in the middle of a whole bunch of different things. There's a lot of stuff. You apply for something, then you got to wait. You apply and wait and that kind of thing. So I just did a whole bunch of stuff today and executed some pretty big changes. So it's all in process. There's a lot more to do, and I'm looking forward to moving forward. So thank you all so much. Again, go down below, click the link, just sign up, just jump in. Don't think about it, just sign up, and talk to you all later. Peace, love, and breath.